Entrepreneurs like Elon Musk working 18 hours a day, with laser focus and maximum concentration. A pianist playing the piano perfectly, with zero flaws and perfect execution. An athlete experiencing the feeling of the zone, being present in the moment and surpassing any of their expectations. They all experience the flow state, where one is in a state of mind that occurs when a person is totally immersed in an activity. When in a flow state, people pay no attention to distractions, and time seems to pass without any notice. Today I will explain everything you need to know about the flow state in under 3 minutes, from how to enter it to the benefits. You may ask yourself why you want to enter the flow state. Not only are you completely and utterly focused on the task in front of you and have a strongly increased focus and concentration. Those who more frequently experience flow report higher levels of positive emotions, creativity, and feelings of accomplishment. So you can say that the time you spend in the flow state directly correlates to the happiness you have in your life. Now I am going to demonstrate to you how you can enter the flow state. And for this, you do not even need to be a professional or experienced person in this area. Anyone can enter the flow state. Here is how. To enter the flow state, 2 criteria must be fulfilled. The task ahead and the skill you possess has to be balanced. If the task is too complicated and your abilities too low, you will experience anxiety about not being able to solve the task. If the task is too easy and your abilities too high, you will experience boredom. Because the task does not challenge you, in both cases you do not experience a flow state. So pay attention and incorporate these tips into your life to experience the flow state. Have a clear goal and choose a task that is challenging for you but still achievable. Be present and minimize distractions from outside. This way you have the highest chances to actually experience the flow state. By the way, if you want to see more about improving your life, leave a like and subscribe. Comment down below what your favorite point on this list was or if something missed. Until next time, take care.